Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is 11th July 2024, and we have a lot to cover in the world of Tesla and electric vehicles. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla's share of the US electric car market has dipped below 50% for the first time in the second quarter of this year, according to a report by Cox Automotive. The company's market share fell to 49.7%, from 59.3% a year earlier. This decline comes as competitors like General Motors, Ford Motor, Hyundai, and Kia gain traction. Despite this, US electric vehicle sales surged by 11.3% from the previous year, with over 330,000 electric cars and light trucks sold in the quarter, making up 8% of all new vehicle sales. This rise in sales underscores the growing consumer demand for electric vehicles, even as Tesla faces stiffer competition from other automakers offering comparable electric models. In a move that has raised eyebrows, Elon Musk is reportedly prioritizing the training of Tesla's self-driving cars using data from his own driving experiences and those of other VIP drivers. This strategy has led to a significant allocation of resources to ensure a smooth driving experience for Musk and his associates. Human annotators are tasked with reviewing camera footage from Tesla vehicles to enhance the self-driving software, with Musk's personal driving habits taking precedence. Former employees have revealed that Musk's driving data received special attention, potentially skewing the software's performance. Despite regulatory investigations into Tesla's marketing practices, drivers are still required to remain alert and ready to take control at any moment. Tesla's self-driving AI is receiving VIP treatment, with a focus on Elon Musk's car and select VIP drivers for meticulous scrutiny to improve autopilot and full self-driving software. Data annotators review clips from Musk's Teslas and high-profile drivers like YouTubers to address issues and enhance the software's performance. This special attention to Musk's vehicles and VIP users has raised concerns about resource distribution and potential distractions from achieving truly autonomous driving. Annotators label videos to train Tesla's AI, update the global database, and ensure smoother rides for high-profile drivers. Tesla also prioritizes data from influencers and drivers likely to share their experiences online, known as VIP users, to improve the self-driving technology. Test drivers are sent to routes driven by YouTubers to address issues highlighted in their videos, such as fixing problems on Lombard Street. While some workers see this focus on VIP users as beneficial for gathering quality data, others worry it may hinder progress towards achieving autonomous driving for the masses. The scrutiny on Musk's and VIP users' data could impact Tesla's regulatory standing, as the company faces scrutiny over its self-driving software and marketing practices. In other news, Tesla is replacing one of the electric motors in the Cybertruck less than a year after its release. The new drive unit is said to be more efficient and reliable. Owners of already delivered Cybertrucks are being directed to service centers for a free motor replacement. Tesla assures that driving the pickup with the previous drive unit is not dangerous. While Tesla often releases software updates for its vehicles, hardware updates like this are unusual. Despite Tesla's claim that this is not a recall, many see it as one due to previous issues with the Cybertruck. Notable recalls for the Cybertruck have included problems with the accelerator pedal and windshield wiper motor. Some buyers are willing to serve as guinea pigs for Tesla by purchasing the unfinished $100,000 electric pickup truck. Lastly, Tesla has introduced parental controls in a recent update to allow parents to monitor and restrict their teenage children's driving behavior in Tesla vehicles. The controls include setting a maximum speed limit, limiting acceleration to a chill mode, enabling safety features like speed limit warning and automatic emergency braking, and configuring a night curfew to receive notifications if the vehicle is driven past curfew. These controls aim to prevent reckless driving and ensure the safety of young drivers. The update also includes features like chill mode for smoother acceleration and speed limit mode introduced after a fatal accident involving 2 teenagers in 2018. The controls cannot be disabled or changed without entering a PIN, providing parents with peace of mind. Overall, The new parental controls offer a way for parents to supervise their teenage drivers and promote safe driving habits. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates in the world of Tesla and electric vehicles. Stay safe and drive electric.